Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, we have started reading with our new topic of grammar syllabus, that is determiners, and in the previous some videos we have discussed some of the determiners. We have seen their different uses, and yes, we have seen so many examples also, and in today's video we will see some more determiners and we will see their uses, we will see some examples, and at the end of the video we will do some practice exercises. Okay, so now let's begin our today's video, that is based on some of the determiners. So the now next determiners that we are having, so let's read. We are having few, a few, the few, fewer and fewest. So one thing that is noticeable here, that all these determiners are a different form of this word, that is few. Okay, so we are having few, then we are having a few, next is the few and fewer and fewest, right? So we will see all these determiners, we will see the different uses of these determiners. So let's see, all these determiners, they are used for countable nouns, or we can say plural noun. So first of all, this is the very important thing that you actually learn, that all these determiners, when we are using few or any form of the few, then you know all these determiners, they are used for countable nouns only. Never and never ever they are used for uncountable nouns. Okay, so yes, this group in which we are having all these determiners, so this entire group is used only and only for countable nouns. Clear? So let's see now the different uses of these determiners. First of all, let's talk about few. So what few means? Few means not many, and yes, it is having a negative sense. So first of all, we are talking about few. So when we are using few in a sentence, so this actually means a negative sense. It means now we are talking about the number that is not many, and yes, this is having a negative sense. This is having a negative meaning. It means we are saying that you know the quantity जो है वो इतनी कम है, that is it is like nothing. Okay, so yes, it is having a negative meaning, it is having a negative sense in the sentence. Now let's see some of the examples and some of the sentence in which we are having few. So let's read. We are having the first sentence, few questions were asked at the meeting. So now when we are having few in our sentence, so it means now we are talking about one of the meeting, and in that meeting there were almost no question was there in that meeting, because we are having few here before question. So it means we are having a negative sense. It means in that meeting there was no question, right? Because we are having few, that is having a negative meaning. Second, we are having I have few friends in this strange city. So again we are having few. So few friends means he is having almost no friend, he is having no friend with him, and this is the reason maybe he is calling this city as to be a very strange city, because he is having no friend. So if we are using few, that then it is having a negative sense, it is having a negative meaning. Next sentence is, there is a total strike in the city, few shops are open. So now focus on this first sentence that we are having in this example. This sentence is, there is a total strike in the city. So when we are having these words, total strike was there in the city. So obviously because of the strike, there was no shop was there that was opened, and this is the reason we are using few here, and we are making the sentence that few shops are open. It means सारी shops जो है वो close है because of this thing, that there was total strike in the city. Clear? So let's understand one more time. First of all, we are talking about few. So the first thing that we have to be very careful, that we have actually learned, it is that few, it is used for countable nouns, right? And what is the use of few? It is having a negative meaning, it is having a negative sense. So when we used few in a sentence, so it means actually nothing. At that time we are saying this thing, that the quantity was very less and it was like nothing. So yes, it is having a negative meaning, it actually gives a negative sense to the sentence. Clear? Next we are having a few. So now let's see the uses of this determiner, that is a few. Let's see now when we are using a few. So it means in a small number, now we are having some quantity with us, and now in the sentence we are having a positive meaning. So yes, this is the difference actually between few and we can say a few. So when we are using few, so at that time the sentence is having a negative meaning, and when we are using a few, so at that time sentence is having a positive meaning. Few means nothing, just like nothing, and a few means yes, we are having some number, we are having some quantity, and now we are talking about the positive sense. Okay, so let's see some of the example to clear this thing. The first sentence is, although class is over, there are yet a few students in the class. So first of all, observe this thing, that we are having students as a noun, and yes, students are countable noun. So this thing is clear that a few is also used for countable noun, right? And now the second thing that we have to observe here, that when we are using a few, so it means positive number we are talking about here. So we are saying that yes, although class is over, but still yet in the class there are some students, there are a few students. So now we are having a positive meaning in the sentence, right? So yes, class over हो चुकी है, but still कुछ students हैं, ज़्यादा नहीं है, but yes, some students are there in the class. So we can say that yes, a few students are there in the class. So when we are using a few, so at that time we are having a positive meaning in the sentence. Next example is, I have a few books of English grammar, so you may take one of them. So now we are saying this thing, that because of this reason, that I have a few books of English grammar. Books is a countable noun, and a few books means yes, I am having some books, and this is the reason I am offering this thing, that you may take one of them, right? So अगर यहाँ पे हम a few की जगह only few होता, तो it means यानी इंग्लिश ग्रामर पे बुक है ही नहीं, और है भी तो only वन ही होगी, और ऐसे में हम दूसरे को ऑफर नहीं कर सकते. बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन दैट वी आर हैविंग अ फ्यू इन द सेंटेंस, इट मीन्स दैट यस, वी आर हैविंग सम बुक्स विथ अस, एंड दिस इज द रीजन वी आर ऑफरिंग टू गिव वन ऑफ आवर बुक टू समवन अदर. Right? So this is the use of a few. When we are using a few in the sentence, so at that time we are saying this thing, that we are having some amount, some quantity, some number, and a few gives a positive sense, a positive meaning to the sentence, and yes, it is also used for countable nouns. Next we are having the few. So this is the third determiner of this category. First of all we talked about few, second was a few, and now we are having the few. So let's see the meaning, let's see the use of this determiner. So yes, this is used to show the total number, this is used to show the totality. Okay, so yes, it is used to show totality. So let's revise one more time. Few, it was used to show negative meaning. A few, it was used to show positive meaning. And when we are using the few, so at that time we are trying to show the totality of that noun. So how? So let's see some of the example, let's see some of the sentences when we are having this determiner, that is the few. So let's read the first one. The few rupees he had were spent. So students, read the sentence very carefully, observe the meaning of the sentence so very carefully. Now we are saying this thing, that the few rupees he had were spent. So first of all, focus on this thing, that rupees, this is a countable noun. So yes, the few, it is also used for countable nouns. Now we are talking about totality. Now we are talking about the total rupees that he was having. So first of all, we are saying this thing, that the few rupees he had, so all those rupees they were spent. So now we are not talking about this thing कि उसके पास कम थे, ज़्यादा थे. Now we are saying that the few rupees जितने भी थे, right? So now we are talking about the totality, the total number of the rupees, right? So his entire money, we can say here, his entire rupees, all rupees were spent, right? Second is, I have read the few books of Shakespeare which I have. Again we are having the few, and noun that is there is books. So right now it is also countable noun, and in this sentence we are saying that all the books that were written by Shakespeare that I was having. So I have read all those books. So again I am talking about total number of the books, right? जो Shakespeare की लिखी हुई जितनी भी books थी. I am not talking about this बोलते हैं कि वो कम थी, ज़्यादा थी. आई एम सेइंग दैट जितनी भी बुक्स थी, टोटलिटी ऑफ दैट बुक दैट आई हैव रेड. सो दिस इज द रीजन आई एम यूजिंग द फ्यू in this sentence, and with the help of the few we are showing the total number, we are showing the totality of that noun, that is books, in this sentence. Next is the few students who were in the class could not understand the lecture. So now in this saying, in this sentence we are talking about the total number of the students who were there in the class. So we are making a sentence and we are saying that class में जितने भी students थे, so all the students they were unable to understand the lecture. So again we are talking about the total number of the students who were there in the class. So the sentence is that the few students who were in the class, they could not understand the lecture. So here also we are talking about the total number of the students, we are talking about totality. This is the reason we are having the few here in the sentence. Clear? Now next is fewer. So what is fewer? This is the comparative of a few. So this is the comparative degree of a few. So I am sure that you all are aware about the positive, comparative and superlative degrees, right? So fewer, this is the comparative form of a few, and it is used when we are making a comparison, when we are using comparative form. How? Let's see the examples. First one is, there are fewer students in the class than yesterday. So we all know that when we are using comparative degree, then we have to use than, that is THAN. So now we are making a comparison and we are saying that there are fewer students in the class than yesterday. Second is, no fewer than 40 soldiers were wounded. So again we are having than, we are making a comparison and we are using comparative form of few, that is fewer, and the sentence is, no fewer than 40 soldiers were wounded. Next is, no fewer than 2000 people were present there. Again we are having than, and this than shows comparison, and this is the reason we are using comparative form of few, that is fewer, and the sentence that we are having here is, no fewer than 2000 people they were present there, right? So yes, fewer, it is a comparative form of few. Next determiner of this list, this category, this group that we are having is the fewest, and this is the last determiner of this group of few. So now we are having this determiner, the fewest. So yes, this is the superlative form of few, okay. Few is the positive form, fewer is the comparative form, and fewest is the superlative form. So let's see the use, let's see the example. We are having the sentence, the shop has the fewest balloons. So yes, we are having the superlative degree of few, we are using the fewest, and the sentence is that this shop is having the fewest balloons. Okay, so these are the 5 determiner of few family. So let's revise one more time. The first important thing is that all these 5 determiners, they are used for countable nouns, right? And few, it is having a negative meaning. When we are trying to say that the number was very less, it was just like nothing, so at that time we use few. Clear? Second is a few. A few is used when we are trying to show some positivity, when we are trying to say that yes, there was some small quantity but quantity was there, okay. So at that time, to show that positive feeling, to show that positivity, we use a few. Next is the few. So with the help of the few, we can show the totality. So when we are talking about the total number, so at that time we have to use the few. Next is fewer, that is the comparative form of few. When we are making a comparison in a sentence, then we can use fewer. And the last is the fewest. This is the superlative form of few. Clear? Next, moving on, we are having another group, another category. Let's read. Now we are having little. Similarly, a few, now we are having a little. Just like the few, now we are having the little. Just like fewer, now we are having less. And just like the fewest, now we are having least, okay. So now these are the 5 determiners that we are having in this category, in this group, and all these 5 determiners known as the little family. Okay, so now let's see, and now let's understand the usage of these 5 determiners. So first of all, the most important thing is that these 5 determiners, they are used before uncountable nouns. So this is the basic difference, this is the major difference between few family and little family. That is, all the 5 determiners of few family, they were used before countable nouns, and these 5 determiners that now we are having, these 5 determiners of little family, they are used before uncountable noun. Okay, so you have to be very careful regarding the type, regarding the category of noun, that whether that is a countable or uncountable noun. So if you are having countable noun, you have to use few family. If you are having uncountable noun, so in that condition you have to use little family. You can use all these 5 determiners before uncountable noun. Clear? Next, moving on, let's talk about all these determiner one by one. So first of all, we are having little. So let's see. Little shows not much, and yes, it is having a negative meaning. So here we can understand this thing, that this determiner little is just like few. Okay, few क्यों हमने use किया था, that we have discussed earlier. The few was also used to show the negative meaning when we were saying that it is very less, just like nothing. Similarly, little is also used to show that when the quantity is very less, when the quantity is in negative sense. So at a time we use a little. The difference is that few is used before countable noun and little is used before uncountable nouns. Okay, let's see some of the example that we are having here. He hasn't attended even a single class. There is little hope of his success. So we are having hope. So hope is a uncountable noun, and in the sentence we are having this thing that he hasn't attended even a single class. So अगर कोई student एक भी class attend नहीं करेगा, so obviously उसके success होने की chances क्या हैं? उसके success होने की hope कितनी होगी? Nothing, बिल्कुल भी hope नहीं होगी. So now we are having here little as a determiner because we want to show the negative feeling, because we want to create a negative sense in the sentence. So we are trying to say that because of this reason that he hasn't attended even a single class. So because of this reason we can say there is no hope for his success, and this is the reason we are using little here as a determiner. Next, more examples we are having. Suresh is seriously injured, so there is little hope of his recovery. So because of this thing that Suresh is seriously injured, so because of this thing we are saying that there is little hope of his recovery, or we can say there is almost no hope of his recovery. Why? Because he was actually very seriously injured. Next is, the river is completely dried up, there is little water in it. So when we are saying this thing that this river is completely dried up, so अगर एक river completely dry हो चुकी है, so obviously उसमें जो water होगा वो कैसा होगा? नहीं के बराबर होगा, तभी तो river dry हुई है. And water is a uncountable noun, and this is the reason we are using little here as a determiner. Okay, so little, yes, it is used before uncountable noun, and the use of little is just like a few. Both few and little, they are used to show negativity. They are used to create a negative sense in the meaning when we are trying to say that the quantity or the amount, it was very less, just like nothing. So in that situation we can use few and little. Few before countable noun and little before uncountable noun. Clear? Moving on, next we are having a little. So yes, you can recall when we discussed a few, yeah, right? So a few, it was used to to show some positive number. Similarly, a little, it is used to show a small quantity, and yes, it is having a positive meaning in the sentence. So let's see some of the examples. The road is not completely blocked. There is a little room for passing. So here we are saying this thing that the road, it was not completely blocked. जो road थी वो completely blocked नहीं थी. So this is the reason we are using a little. So we are saying that because of this thing that the road was not completely blocked, still there was some room, some space for passing, and we are using a little to show the positivity of this thing that अभी भी थोड़ी जगह तो थी, थोड़ा स्पेस तो था. ओके, Next is the pot is not empty, there is a little milk in it. So now we are saying this thing first of all that the pot is not empty. Okay, अब वो empty नहीं है, it means उसमें थोड़ा milk तो है. अगर बिल्कुल भी milk नहीं होता तो हम कहते हैं कि yes the pot is empty. But now we are saying that the pot is not empty, it means that yes there is a little milk in the pot. Okay. Next example that we are having here is I am tired, I need a little rest. So now here first of all we are saying this thing that I am tired and because of this reason I need a little rest. So rest is you know it's a kind of uncountable noun, and here we are talking about the positivity of this thing that yes actually we need some rest, and this is the reason we are using a little here before rest because we want to show the positivity. And now just suppose अगर हमारे यहाँ पे सेंटेंस जो है it would be like in this manner that I am not tired. So if you are saying this thing that I am not tired, then ahead our answer will be that I need rest. So here our answer will be little. Why little? Because now we want to show the negative meaning. We want to show that I am not tired. It means that because of this thing that I am not tired, I actually need no rest. So that time our answer will be that I need a little rest. It means I need no rest actually. But here are sentences that I am tired. So actually I am tired, and because of this reason I really need some rest, and this is the reason we are using a little here before rest. So yes, this is the difference between little and a little. Little it is used to show you know the negative meaning in the sentence, and a little it is used to create a positive meaning in the sentence. And yes, just like a few, a little is also is having the same use, but the difference is same that was there between little and few. Just like those two determiners, a few it is also used before countable nouns, and a little it is used before uncountable nouns, right? So this thing is very much important and you have to be very much careful regarding this thing. Okay. Moving on, next we are having the little. So let's see. Yes, the little, just like the few, it is also used to show the total amount, or we can say when we are talking about the totality. So at that time the few it is used to before uncountable nouns. So let's see some of the examples that we are having. The little ambition he had was gone with his failing the test. So here we are having ambition as a noun. So yes, ambition, this is uncountable noun, and here we are talking about all the ambition that he was having. Here we are talking about the totality. Okay, the total amount of ambition that he was having. So that ambition gone with his failing to the test, and this is the reason we are talking about totality, the total amount. We are using the little here as a determiner. One more example we are having. The little milk kept in this pot has turned sour. So now we are saying this thing that the entire milk, the total milk that was there in this pot. Okay, so again हम उस pot में जितना भी milk था, so again we are talking about the total amount, the total you know quantity of the milk. So this is the reason we are using the little here before milk. Okay, so just like the few, the little it is also used to show the totality. The few we have to use before countable nouns, and yes, the little we have to use before uncountable nouns. Next we are having less. So yes, less is the comparative form of little. So let's see the example. We bought less oil yesterday than today. So when we are making comparison in the sentence, so at that time we can use a comparative form of little, that is less. So yes, again we are having than, and with than we can show comparison, and this is the reason we are using comparative form, that is less. Next, I have got less money, right? Next is this boy weighs no less than 40 pounds. Okay, so again we are making this type of sentence that we are having comparative form and we are using less. Next is he does not sell less than 5 kilograms of sugar. So yes, we are making a sentence using the comparative form of little, that is less. And all these nouns that we are having, they all are uncountable nouns because we are having oil, we are having money, we are having pounds, we are having kilograms. So all these are uncountable nouns, and this is the reason we are using less to show the comparison. Okay. Next we are having the least, that is the last determiner of this family, that is little family. So yes, this is the superlative form of little. So let's see the example. We are having, we used to he used to work at the least noise. So this is the superlative form of little, just like we were having fewest, that was the superlative form of few. Okay. So yes, this is the two categories that we have discussed. In the first category we were having 5 determiners of few family, and in the second category we were having 5 determiners of a little family. The basic difference is that few family is used before countable nouns and little family is used before uncountable nouns, and the individual uses we have discussed as well. Okay. So now we have discussed all these determiners, and now we are having practice exercise. We are having some of the sentences. We have to read the sentence and then we have to fill the blanks using appropriate determiner. Okay. So observe the sentence very carefully, observe the kind of noun that we are having very carefully, and then according to the sentence use appropriate determiner. So I am very much sure that you all are ready with your answers, because we have discussed all the determiners in today's video. We have discussed so many sentences, so many examples. So now you all are ready. So let's solve this practice exercise with sentence 1. We are having first of all blank, then the next we are having people came to see the play, it was rather sad. So now observe the sentence very carefully. First of all, look at the noun that we are having people. So we know that people is a countable noun, right? We can count people, we can say that there are 4 people, there are 6 people sitting in that room. So people is a countable noun. So we know one thing here is that is very much clear, that we have to use few family here, because we are having countable noun. Now observe the sentence. We are having that it was rather sad. So why it was rather sad? Because there were almost we can say इतने कम number में लोग थे कि we can say it was just like a nothing. So when we try to show very less quantity, so at that time we have to use a few, because it is a determiner that is used to show negativity, that is used to create negative meaning in the sentence. So our answer will be few, and the complete sentence will be few people came to see the play, it was rather sad. So actually मतलब बहुत कम, इतने कम कि हम कह सकते हैं नहीं के बराबर लोग आए थे, and this is the reason we are saying that it was rather sad. Okay. Next is come on, we have still got time left to finish this. We are having time as a noun, and time is uncountable noun. So here we have to use one determiner from little family, and here we are talking about some positivity, we are talking about some positive meaning, and we are encouraging someone, and we are saying come on, we have still got a little. So because we are talking about positive meaning, and this is the reason we will use a little here in the blank, and the sentence will be come on, we have still got a little time left to finish this. Next is Jody gave very reasons for closing down the shop. We are having reasons. Reasons is a countable noun, and in this blank after very we will write Jody gave very few reasons for closing down the shop. Next sentence, that is there we are having the class is not empty. Okay, there are students sitting there. We are having students, that is a countable noun. So one thing is clear, that we have to use few family. Now focus on the sentence. We are saying that the class is not empty. So because of this reason that the class was not empty, it means that there are a few. So here we are saying this thing that still positive number of students were sitting in the class. This was the reason we are saying that the class is not empty. There are a few students sitting there. Next is he is not a good teacher. He is unimaginative and has a very patience with children. Patience, uncountable noun, and here we are trying to say a negative meaning, because we are saying that he is not a good teacher. Why he is not a good teacher? We are telling the reasons. He is unimaginative and has a very little patience. Little means almost no patience he is having with children. Next sentence is of that group's songs are good, but I don't really like most of their songs. So here we are having songs as a noun, that is a countable noun, and we are saying that I don't really like most of their songs. So it means यानी कि जब most of their songs हमें पसंद नहीं है, so हमें उनकी यानी बहुत कम songs पसंद हैं. So this is the reason we will write few here as an answer, and the sentence will be that few of that group's songs are good, but I don't really like most of their songs. Next is I have been to that Austrian restaurant times it is good. So here we are saying that we are in that condition to say that that restaurant is a good one, and जब कोई restaurant good है so it means हम वहाँ पे जाते रहते हैं. So here we will write that I have been to that Austrian restaurants a few times and it is good. Next is people ever learn how to dance properly, it is such a shame. So here we are having people, that is countable noun, and next we are saying that it is such a shame. Why it is a shame? Because very less people are there, इतने कम लोग हैं जो कि actual में properly dance सीखते हैं. So here we are trying to show a negative meaning, so we will use few here, and we are saying that few people ever learn how to dance properly. इतना कम number है ऐसे लोगों का कि we can say that it is like nothing, and this is the reason we are saying that it's such a shame. Next sentence, very people went to see that film, I don't know why, it's excellent. So people countable noun, after very we have to write few. Very few people went to see that film, I don't know why, because it was very excellent film. Next is I have time for people who talk about themselves all the time and never listen to anyone else. Time we are having, that is uncountable noun, and here we want to show negative meaning in the sentence because we are trying to say that actually we don't like such people. So here our answer will be little. And the complete sentence will be that I have little time for people who talk about themselves all the time and never listen to anyone else. Next is I normally have salad with my lunch, it's good for you. So here we are talking about some positive meaning, that because of this reason that salad is good for our health. So this is the reason that every day I include salad in my lunch. So here our answer will be that I normally have a little salad with my lunch. Next is dress the salad with salt, pepper and a little olive oil. Okay. Next is I have got 30 euros and coins. Coins is a countable noun. That should be enough for tonight. So when we are trying to say that ये जो quantity है हमारे पास, that will be enough. So it means we are talking about a positive meaning. So here our answer will be a few. And the sentence will be I have got 30 euros and a few coins, that should be enough for tonight. Next is his computer needs cleaning, he takes very care of it. Care is uncountable noun, and because of this reason that his computer actually needs cleaning. So computer को clean कब करना पड़ेगा, जब हम computer की care नहीं करेंगे. So here we are trying to show the negative meaning. So for care, here our answer will be little. And the sentence will be his computer needs cleaning, he takes very little care of it. Next sentence, parks that we have are not clean. So observe the sentence very carefully, students. Here we are talking about the total number of the parks that are there. So we are saying that here our answer will be the few. First of all, let's write the answer. The few parks that we have are not clean. So here we are talking about the total number of the parks that we are having, and now we are saying that all the parks they are not clean. So because we want to show the total number, we want to show the totality, and this is the reason we will use the few, because parks it is a countable noun. Next is he took books he had to his friend. Again we are talking about the total number of the books that he was having, because he took that total number of the books to his friend, and to show the totality, and when we are having countable noun we always use the few. So the answer will be he took the few books he had to his friend. Next sentence, the cat spilled milk that was in the jar. Again we are talking about the total amount of the jar, the total amount of the milk that was there in the jar, and we are saying that the cat spilled that total milk that was there in the jar. Milk is an uncountable noun, so to show the total number of uncountable noun we always use the little. And the answer will be the cat spilled the little milk that was in the jar. Next sentence, he wasted money his father saved. Again we are talking about the total number, we are talking about the totality, we are talking about the total money that his father saved. So money uncountable noun, so here our answer will be the little. And the sentence will be he wasted the little money his father saved. Next is coins that the student collected were stolen. We are talking about the total number of the coins that was collected by the students, and we are saying that those total coins they were stolen. Coins countable noun, so here our answer will be the few. The few coins that the students collected, they were all stolen. Next is he has good friends, so he is happy. So here we are saying that he is happy. Why he is happy? Because he actually is having a few good friends, right? So here we are having a positive meaning in the sentence, and he is saying that he is having some good friends, and this is the reason he is happy. So here friends countable noun, so here our answer will be a few. Next is he is very lonely, he has friends. So now we are talking about one person that is very lonely. Why he is lonely? Because he is having no friends actually. So we want to show some negative meaning here, and friends is a it is a countable noun. So here our answer will be few. And the sentence will be he is very lonely, he has few friends. It means nahi ke barabar, just like nothing. Next is friends he had left him. So just focus the sentence very carefully. Here we are talking about the total number of the friends that he was having, and we are saying that jitne bhi friends the uske, they all left him. So friends is a countable noun, and when we want to show the total number, the totality, then we always use the few. And the answer will be the few friends he had left him. Next is I can make 2 cup teas. There is milk in the fridge. So now I am saying that I am able to make 2 cup tea, right? So 2 कप चाय बन सकती है, इतना दूध तो है हमारे पास. So here we want to show the positive amount that हाँ इतना दूध है कि 2 कप चाय बन जाएगी. So to show the positivity of uncountable noun, we always use a little, right? Next is I can't make tea, there is milk in the fridge. So now we are saying that चाय जो है वो बन ही नहीं सकती. क्यों नहीं बन सकती? क्योंकि फ्रिज में दूध बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So now we are trying to show the negative meaning, because we are saying that I can't make tea, right? Why? Because there is no milk actually, and to show this thing we always use a little. Because milk, it's an uncountable noun, so we will use little to create the negative meaning in the sentence. Next one is it is cloudy today. There are stars can be seen. Stars countable noun. So when the weather is cloudy, when the sky is full of clouds, so obviously जो stars हैं वो बहुत कम दिखेंगे, और we can say नहीं के बराबर, just like nothing. So we want to show negative meaning, and stars countable noun. So yes, our answer will be few. And the sentence will be it is cloudy today. There are few stars can be seen. Okay, so we have completed the practice exercise. We have seen so many sentences, and now I am sure that these determiners few, a few, the few, fewer, fewest, and little, a little, the little, less, and the least, all these determiners are very much clear to you all, and we have discussed the uses. We have seen so many examples. Okay, so students, work very hard, learn all the uses of these determiners in a very proper manner. Okay, and in the next video we will continue with this topic, and we will actually complete this topic, that is determiners. So just be with me and see you in the next video. Thank you.